Hello, welcome back to the second part of the topic prepositions. And the first part we discussed 6 important prepositions, and today we will discuss the remaining important prepositions. So let's get started. Of. We use the preposition of or of in the sense away from. For example, I fell off the tree. He fell off the ladder. She fell off the bus. So we use the preposition of or of in the sense away from, and we also use this preposition in the sense opposite of on, on. For example, switch off the light. Is that opposite of switch on the light? So switch off the light. Then switch off the fan. So you all know the use of the preposition of. Next one, till. T-I-L-L. The preposition till is used in the sense until. For example, I was there till 2015. He was at home till 5 p.m. This shop is open till midnight. So the word till is used in the sense until. Next one, with. With is a commonly used preposition. So we use the preposition with mainly in 3 ways. First one, it is used in the sense of being together. Being together. For example, she has been working with her sister. In this sentence, the word with is used in the sense of being together. So she has been working with her sister. I ordered burger with a drink. Next one, we use the preposition with in the sense using. For example, I wrote a letter with this pen. He killed a tiger with his new gun. And the next one, we use the preposition with in the sense having. For example, I met a girl with blue eyes. By. The preposition by indicate proximity or in the sense beside. For example, can I sit by you? He was standing by me. So it indicates proximity. Next one we already discussed. By. The preposition by is used in passive voice. For example, a letter was written by him. In this sentence, the preposition by is used before the pronoun. So in passive voice we use the preposition by. Next one, the preposition by indicate a mean or method. For example, I came here by subway. I go there by bus. So it indicates a mean or method. From. The preposition from is used to indicate the origin of somebody or something. For example, I am from Kerala. Heat from the sun. He saves her from drowning. Then the preposition from is used to distinguish between two people or things. For example, is Kashmir very different from Himachal Pradesh? The next one, this preposition from is used to show the material that something is made of. For example, steel is made from iron. So here the preposition from is used to show the material that something is made of, in the sense made of. 4. For is a commonly used preposition in English grammar. We use the preposition for to show who is intended to have. For example, There is a call for you. It's a book for children. I bought a book for the school library. For is also used to indicate period of time. For example, Ammu has been watching TV for 2 hours. I have been working here for 10 years. She was waiting for a long time. So, for is also used to indicate period of time. Since is used to indicate point of time. For example, I have been working here since 1990. My mother has been cooking vegetable since 5 a.m. It has been raining since last night. So since is used to indicate point of time. An. Article an is generally used before a word begins with a vowel or a vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange. You all know this, but some exceptions are there. You should know that. An hour, an honest, an honorable. Ye. Ye is generally used before a word begins with a consonant or its sounds. A boy, a watch, a girl, a tree, but some exceptions are there. A European, a university, a union, a unit, a 1 rupee note. So these are exceptions. The is a definite article used before names of mountains, rivers, seas, oceans, planets, etc. And it is also used before names of holy books, before names of vehicles, and superlatives, before specifications. For example, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Ganga, the Himalaya, the Mount Everest. Between and among involves two persons or two things. We can use the preposition between, but involves more than two persons or two things. We should use the preposition among. For example, the child stands between its father and mother. She divided the cake among 5 children. The interview will be conducted between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. The culprit hid among. Next, beside and besides. Beside means by the side of, and besides means in addition to. For example, the child stands beside its mother. He knows English besides Hindi. So, you know the difference between beside and besides. So, I hope you all understood this topic very well. So, thank you guys. See you in the next class.